If you are switching from ChatGPT to Claude, you do not have to start from scratch. ChatGPT has already built up valuable context about who you are, your workflows, and how you like your responses formatted. In this video for ClearTask, I will show you how to export your personalized ChatGPT memory and import it directly into Claude. First, open ChatGPT and start a new chat. Type in this exact prompt. Create a data packet that includes everything you know about me that I can give as context to Claude. Hit send. ChatGPT will automatically analyze its memory and generate a clean summary of your professional background, coding style, and personal preferences. Once it finishes writing, copy the entire output to your clipboard. Next, head over to Claude AI. Click on your profile initials in the bottom left corner of the screen and select Settings. Under the profile settings, look for the custom instructions box labeled "What personal preferences should Claude consider in responses?" Simply paste your copied data packet directly into this text box and click Save Changes. Now, every new conversation you start in Claude will automatically inherit your established background and rules, saving you hours of repeating yourself. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching.